Hey there, academics and scholars. Congratulations on completing week 4. We're moving into week 5 of the course. And this means that you've finished basically the first section, the first part of the course, which is about transitioning you to college, right? We've discovered throughout the last few weeks all the different ways in which getting a college education benefits you, not just financially, which we know and understand, and the opportunities that college affords, but also the hidden benefits of college, as well as what's necessary for you to do. That paradigm shift from being a high school student to being a college student is the major difference between a college dropout and a college graduate, right? Learning how to rise to the expectations of college, learning to adapt to the culture of college, and to fully transition into being an academic. We've talked about time management, right? We've discussed all the different ways in which you are going to need to be disciplined rather than relying on motivation, right? We've talked about finding support on campus, learning about the different resources that are here for you. We've learned about goal setting. We've learned about quite a bit to help you transition if you're applying these things quite easily to being here on campus. So what are we doing now? Well, this week you are encountering your first test in this course. So since we finished up the basics of transitioning to college, we are now going to let you move into this week's module by understanding that we will now be doing some assessments to see how you are comprehending and applying this information. So step 1 is there is a quiz on chapters 1 through 3. So you need to make sure that you are, again, going back to the first and second week of the class, familiar with Honor Lock, that you don't wait till last minute in case you encounter any technology issues using Honor Lock so that you can contact them. Remember to go back to the Honor Lock module and make sure that you are using all of the correct procedures. Remember, there's, you need to be using certain browsers, et cetera, et cetera. There's also procedures for the room that you're in and what's allowed there and at that time. So make sure that you've got everything you need. You've got your handwritten notes or you've printed out your digital notes so that you can use them on this quiz for chapters 1 through 3. Remember that the quiz is not just on the textbook, okay? So make sure you've read the textbook, but that you've done everything in each of the learning modules. So you've read the textbook, you've added to your notes as you read the slideshows, you've added to your notes as you watch the videos, as you read the learning pages, right? As you listen to these videos, you're adding to your notes each time. That way, when you take these quizzes, you are going to ace it, okay? So all of this is helping you do exactly what we came here to do, to help you be successful and achieve your dreams. The second part of the test is a long answer portion. So it covers chapters 1 through 4, and I'm asking you one question about each chapter, okay? And this question is basically rooted in one of the concepts that we learned from that chapter and asking you to think critically about it and provide analysis. Okay, so you want to make sure that you're digging into that you're giving full answers, that you're developing your answers fully, that you're thinking through them. Students who show up to this kind of a test, a long answer test, and they provide 1 or 2 or 3 sentences, that is not college level work, right? So you're practicing how to really explain what you think, why you think it, and you're explaining it to your reader. Okay, so take your time, and this is a really good opportunity to really bring up your grade or enhance your grade and show that you're here to really do your absolute best. I believe in each and every one of you, and if you take your time, I think you'll really be successful this week. So use the entire week, reach out to me if you need me, and go back to Canvas. Canvas is where everything's at. Take care.